Hi everyone! Before you download another screen recording app, there's something you should know. Windows 11 already includes a built-in screen recorder that's completely free. It's part of the Snipping Tool, and it's perfect for recording tutorials, gameplay clips, presentations, or anything happening on your screen. The best part is you can start recording in just a few clicks without installing any extra software. First, open the Start menu and launch the Snipping Tool. Next, click the Record option at the top. Then, click New. Next, select the area of your screen you want to record. Then, click Start to begin recording. When you're finished, click Stop. Then save the video to your computer. Or, if you want the fastest way, just press Windows plus Shift plus R on your keyboard. Then, select the area you want to record and start recording instantly. Finally, this built-in recorder is great for creating tutorials, reporting problems, or sharing something on your screen without needing third-party software. That's it, a hidden Windows 11 feature that makes screen recording quick, easy, and completely free.